Hello, and welcome to a dynamic tutorial. So basically what a dynamic page is a page that loads a different page without actually changing the main page. So if you have a look here, I'm on the home page, which is index.php. And then if I go to here, you'll see it's still on index.php, but it's showing the page 153.141.3.142. And that has this on it, which is just what I decided to put on it. So if I can change that saying hello YouTube, then it'll say hello YouTube, and it's the same for test 2. You see blah blah blah. If I go and open the page, I put numbers because I prefer numbers. I put goodbye YouTube. There we go. And that's a very simple way of having different pages onto your web server. So how do you use this code? What does this code mean? Well, I'm going to go through an explanation now as well as showing you. So obviously you've got your tags here, open and close tags here and here. And then you've got your if statement, which basically says if empty get page, or get the ID of the page, which is, say, there. That's the ID page. I can easily change that right now to P, and it's a lot shorter, but the URL is different. So that'll be /p that, and if we go, and there we go. Which I might actually keep that one because that looks a bit different. Do. See what you do when I talk to you. So if I save that now, go back to home, and I got index, and I got that. So that tag there is easily changeable just by changing this and this. Yeah. So basically what it does is it says at pages, which is pages equals scan directory at pages directory, and pages directory is that, which the page directory goes there to the pages. So what I said didn't make sense. It did, but it didn't. If you understand what I said by skipping up the beginning bit. But anyway, you got your pages there, which basically says, alright, that's the page directory, and it says pages get the page directory, and then if you put a P in front of it, if you question mark then a P, then it equals, and then whatever the page will be. So, oh, also, I forgot to show you this. I've added a coding which basically, if there's nothing there, it didn't work. So P blah, blah, blah. It goes back to if an array include so and so and so, include the page directory so and called. So that's basically saying is go back to a certain page if it doesn't exist. So that's going back to this page, which was initially meant to be my default index page, but I changed it around at last second. So when I enter a code which is wrong, instead of making it go back to this page, why don't we make it go back to a page which says sorry, this page cannot be found. So if we go to the dynamic pages and go to pages, then go to this, Control N, and make a new page saying sorry, this directory cannot be found. Please try again. With smiley face. And then you save it, and just call it whatever you want to call it. It doesn't really matter. Just say error. Error 1. That's what we'll call it. So if we go back to the index and then change that to error 1. So we got home, test, was it there? Failed to open no such directory. But I didn't save it as PHP. Sorry about that. So if I go to save as, always make sure you save it as PHP. I'm just usually. So we'll do that. So sorry, this directory cannot be found. Please try again. So, and if you want to do a bit of basic HTML here, we can make it look a bit nicer. Slash brand new line. And it's a bit nicer. So I think that's about it for dynamic pages. There's not much you can do. So yeah, if you need any more tutorials in PHP, HTML, just send me a private message, and if I need to make a video for you, I'll make a video, and if it's just a simple mistake in your code, I'll correct it for you. I guess all I can say now is goodbye, and I'll see you another time.